Yeah, I love you all over the world. My name is Apostle Tokasi, the comedy preaching encyclopedia, preaching catalyst, the old firewood, the Akara war again, the lion killer. Yes, you know, say sometimes when you don't talk to some people, it will be like, say, they get sense or they're wise. I want to reply one luxury body other with the UK, where they sought Adams Oshomole. Say, now so you know Adams Oshomole 2016 or blah, 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 blah. Now, why it be say, una way be PDP, una the fear? I hear you for the video, you even open your mouth say APC no say na go win Edo State 18/18. Una for not they do campaign now. Since una don't get that practice, say man, this election na 18, I want win the 18 local government. Also, you will not even day Benin, you never even day Benin, you day UK. Fear not going to let you enter Benin till you die. You day UK, you dey talk. Hey, the crowd, this and this. All the people where they come out for PDP rally now, people where be government worker, they don't give conditions. Say if you no come out, you no go see your salary next month. If you know wear the cap before now, shouldn't be the wear cap. After now go do evil, now do for airport road, now don't go hide on a cap. Now go hide on a cap. Una they talk like I don't get sense. See, everything. Oshomole is this Oshomole. Una when see they talk say make a APC governorship candidate come do campaign. The man is talking. But maybe now they look for content. Now no see content. Now they find where you go for talk. Maybe they say hey, talk go like this, talk go like. And all those edit one they do. More look for better person go they edit. Una this. And now they edit this and say loading. After all, when Obaseki was coming for his first tenure, it was Adam Oshomole that did the campaign for Obaseki. If I lie, I'm gonna talk. In his second campaign, it was Dan Obi and the deputy governor that did campaign for him. Obaseki no be OD that year. OD at the end. Edo State can't join her, the computer. Now when I don't say Edo people don't say na APC. All of na one guy, now one commit suicide. When I no campaign now, why campaign? When I thought say Oshomole say you could bring that shop, she when I thought say na shop right be the build. The big way Obaseki tear shop right, and shop right say no we don't do business like that. Now they take turn out to Edo more. Now not be shop right now be the color before. Not shop right, but now you people have turned it to Edo more. Edo more. And now I can give shop right one room inside. Shop right say they know they come. Because if they come, they will kill their business. Their business is gone. Where do they tell you that so? Now know they hear. Now they do kitty kata. Right now we are on one win for this election. We are one win a donut. A donut Philip Shaibo and Adam Oshomole, they don't lock the place, they don't put the key for pockets. Yes, because a donut is APC. Abina Ovia, the two Ovia. Then Nisi Dausa and Benedict Tota. He don't press a level now. All of them don't piante. Now they wrong. Abina already. APC go see with Labour Party go do now for them like wait. And some go collect what you want collect. Labour Party go collect what you want collect. APC go collect what you want collect. Before now come manage all those SSA and family. Now I go call even go vote. Maybe by the grace of God, maybe now figure like 6 votes for this election. So Edo State is APC. Now, if they talk this morning and they say, this and this, you are not from Edo State, you are my village. Now village be this way. Show them, make them say, yeah, now village, show them. Now village, show them this side, now village. Yeah, that's what our governor, the video this side, make them see me, video this side. Now, this is what the governor of Ebonyi State did. He left a legacy. All the whole village here now road to everybody, they fly over everywhere. You will not. I don't show the flyover. Yeah. The man did very well. He don't need to campaign. And do you know that this state, Ebonyi State, is APC? It's APC. Obaseki was once APC before he run go PDP go they do for them will deliver anything. So when they hide on ourselves, those states is APC. They don't make up their mind. More than no force myself for the matter. Case closed. Thank you.